Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download apps from Google Play Store or use and browse Google Chrome or any other browser on TCL TabMax 10. So now let's try downloading something from our Google Play Store. Here let's get any app, and as you can see there's an error. Go for the Google Chrome, open our website for example, let's reload that, and as you can see that's the same thing, we can't access it. So to fix this, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down and find the system. Here we'll want to go for date and time and enable automatic date and time. Now close the settings, move to Google Chrome again, reload the page, and as you can see it works as it should be, the same as with Google Play Store. Now we can open any app and simply download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.